Hello everyone, happy new year. This video I'll be showing you how I made this chicken stew. This is tasty and delicious. Please stay tuned. To make this, you need your chicken, this already washed and cut, ripe tomatoes, peppers, tomato paste, your shombo or tatashi, and then to spices you need onions, Maggi seasoning for cooking the chicken and the stew, ginger powder, you can also use the fresh one, thyme, curry powder, paprika powder, and also your salt to taste and some chicken seasoning. Then you get your vegetable oil for frying and for cooking, and also the bay leaves. This bay leaves gives it a unique taste. Put your chicken in a pot, then you cut your onions and add to the pot, and also other seasonings like your thyme, salt, Maggi seasoning, and curry powder. Then you stir all together and allow it to steam for some minutes. Cover your pot and allow to steam. Stir once again, then add some water to the pot to cook our chicken properly. Wash and blend the tomatoes, pepper, onions, the paprika or shombo tatashi all together. After blending, this is what I have, and the remaining here too. I'm going to boil this to prepare the stew. Our chicken is cooking, and I'll be checking if it is properly okay. It's okay now, and I'll be frying it in a hot oil. Set your oil in the pot, then fry your chicken till it is light or dark brown, depending on how you want it to be. And this is how I want my chicken to be. I'm taking them out. And repeat the same process for the rest chicken too here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and put on the notification bell. Also share this video. Thank you. I decided to cook the tomato mix, and this is what I have now. The water has evaporated, and I'm going to set it aside. Now heat oil in a pot and then add your onions when it is ready. Then fry the onions. Since our onions is frying, inside to add the pepper and tomato mix. We are doing this to remove the sour taste and to give it a very nice taste too. Also Mix your tomato paste with a little bit of water and set aside while our fresh tomato mix is frying. Fry on low heat and stir this every 10 minutes to avoid it sticking to the bottom of the pot and getting burnt. Now I am adding the tomato paste into it and going to continue to fry them all together again. Stir and fry all together. Mix it properly. Then add some bay leaves to it. This gives it unique flavor. Add curry to your thyme, chicken seasoning, ginger powder, some salt, and the rest of all other spices you have. Then stir and continue to fry. Check it. Once okay, add your chicken stock. This is water you got from cooking the chicken. You can also add some water to it. Then also add your chicken, the one you fried. Stir. Taste for salt. The salt is okay. Cover and allow it to cook for some minutes. Please subscribe to my channel. Our chicken stew is ready. Subscribe if you like this video. Share this video and give this video a thumbs up. You can enjoy this with some rice, noodles, yam, etc. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video. Bye.